In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to earn money online with CPA marketing using the parasite method. This is an underground strategy gurus use to make money in passive income with CPA marketing. And I'm going to be sharing everything for absolutely free in this video. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll and get started with this CPA mastery course and start earning money in passive income with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this even if you are a complete beginner. So what you want to do from here, the first thing is to create an account with any CPA network of your choice. The one I'm using right here is OG Ads, but feel free to use other CPA network. You can use CPA Lead, you can use CPA Grip if you want to do that. Okay, so now the next thing, once you've created your account, if you come over to the offer section, and if I scroll down here and I type in United States, so if I scroll to the bottom, you can see you can get paid $5 for people installing an app. When people install this app, you get paid $5.36. So if I scroll up, you can even get paid as high as $21 for people installing an app on their device. All right. The next thing you want to do is to pick a niche, and you don't want to go with just any niche. You want to go with low competition niche, and an example of this niche is Age of Wushu. So now a lot of people don't know about this niche, but this is a game and there's a lot of money to be made from this game alone. All right, so if I type in keyword like Age of Wushu guide on Google, you can see this is a guide ranking on Google, and this is not a website. As you can see right here, this is Google Docs. So this is what the parasite method is all about. You want to look for a high quality and a high authority domain, and you want to use that as your host. And an example of that is Google Docs. So Google Docs is a high authority domain, and all you need to do from here is to create a Google Doc file, and you want to sneak in your content locker link, which is going to act as a parasite to the host, which is going to be the high authority domain. I hope this makes sense. So if I scroll down to the bottom of this page, you can see there are just 4 pages right here, and that tells you this is a low competitive niche. Okay, so now to get more ideas and more niches you can use aside from the one I'm using as an example in this video, so all you need to do is to pause the video right here, and you can use any niche you are seeing on your screen right now. This is going to work absolutely well for this strategy. And if you're a student of the CPA mastery course, you can basically go over to the second module of the course. I basically talked about how to find profitable niches for CPA marketing, and all you need to do is to scroll down to where it says niches. As you can see, you can download this. You are going to have access to thousands of niches made available to the students of the CPA mastery course. Moving on, once you've chosen any niche of your choice, you want to come over to this website, wordstream.com. So once you come over to this website, so for example, if I take in the keyword I am using as an example for this video, Age of Wushu, so if I type in find my keywords, so once you click on that, you want to make sure to select United States right here. It's very important you do this. And once you select United States, all you need to do is to click on continue. As you can see, this game gets 5,400 monthly searches, as you can see right here, from Google Keyword Planner itself. All right, and now you can see the competition right here is very low, and this tells you there's a lot of money to be made from this niche. So let's imagine just 20% of people who search for this keyword every month complete your content locker. All right, so 20% of these people is going to be 1,080. So let's say your average content locker makes you $3 when people complete your offers. You are going to make $3,000 from one niche alone and from one keyword. All right, you can see there are even other keywords you can target as well. You can see these other ones don't get enough traffic, but I highly recommend you use keyword that get traffic between 1,000 to 20,000 monthly keyword, and you want to make sure the competition is low. So once you've done that, the next step is to create a Google Doc as well. Keep in mind, you can use any high authority website of your choice, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Google Docs as an example. All right, so once you come over here, all you need to do is to click on blank. This is going to allow you create a new document. So now you want to give your document a name. So I'm going to take Age of Wuxi Guide as an example. All right. So what you want to do from here on is to then go over to canva.com. So if you are enjoying the video so far, all I ask in return is drop a like on this video, and I really appreciate it. So once you come over to canva.com, you want to go to where it says create a design. You want to click on this section that says ebook cover. So once you do that, Canva is going to give you a lot of templates, as you can see right here, that you can use to create ebook covers for free. Although they are paid ones, but you can get started with the free ones as well. So I'm going to take this template here as an example. Okay, so what I'm going to do now from here is to head over to Google. So once you come over to Google, you want to type in Age of Wushu images. Okay, this is going to also depend on whatever niche you are working with, of course. So once you do that, you want to click on images, and if you do this, you are going to see a lot of images from the game. All right, so all you need to do is to grab an image of the game, and you want to download the image to your device. So once you download the image, all you need to do is to remove this image right here. So once you place the image like this, all you need to do from here is to edit this text. So once you do that, as you can see, everything looks really good. And see right here, where to master your skills, Age of Wuxi game. All right, so all you need to do from here is to download this cover, and you want to click on the share button, and here you want to click on download. So once you do that, then you want to come back to Chat GPT, and you want to type in how to improve my Age of Wushu gaming skills 500 characters. You want to keep the content as short as possible as you can. So all you need to do is to copy the content, then you want to go back to the Google Doc file, and here you want to import the image. So you want to click here, and you want to upload the image from your device. All right, so once you upload the image, you want to make sure to center the image. All right, you want to align it to the center like this. So once you do that, then you want to create a new paragraph. All right, and this is where you want to paste the content. All right, so now all you need to do from here is to grab this heading. All right, so once you grab this heading, you want to give this a bold. So let's give it a 15. All right, you can see right here, this is very visible and people can see this. So the next step here is to create a content locker where we want people to complete CPA offers. And now to do this, it's very simple. You want to go to YouTube, and you want to type in Age of Wushu Gaming Guide. All right, so once you type that on YouTube, as you can see right here, the competition of this niche is very low. You can see 71 out of 100. And now if you scroll to the competition bar, you can see very low. All right, and you can see it gets decent traffic as well, as you can see right here. So all you need to do once you come over to YouTube, you want to make sure you go for Creative Commons videos, all right, so as not to encounter any copyright issues. So once you click on Creative Commons, you are going to see videos that the creators allow you to use their videos. So all you need to do is to click on the video. So once you come over here, all you need to do is to click on the share button. So once you click on the share button, you'll be able to copy the link of this YouTube video. So once you copy the link of the video, all you need to do from here is to go back to your OG Ads account or your CPA Grip account, and you want to create a content locker. So all you need to do is to come to the tools section, and you want to click on create content lockers. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you need to do from here is to click on create a content locker. So once you click on this, you will be able to create a content locker. And for CPA Grip as well, all you need to do is to come over to the URL file locker section, and you want to make sure to agree to terms of service, and you will be able to create a content locker. So once you do this, the video you just grab, all you need to do is to paste in the link to that video in the logged URL section. So once you paste in the link to the video right here, you can give your content locker any name you want. This is only to help you remember the content locker. All right, so now you want to come over to the template section. You can use any template of your choice. You can ask people to complete as many offers as you want. This is up to you. So all you need to do is to come over to the advanced section, and you want to come to where it says leads required, and you can change this to up to 3 leads. All right, so this is up to you. Once you're done creating your content locker, all you need to do is to click on save, and you'll be able to grab the link to your content locker. So once you grab your content locker link, be it from CPA Grip or from OG Ads, all you need to do is to add the link to this image. So if you right click on the image, you're going to see where it's going to ask you to insert a link. And here you want to paste in your content locker link, and you want to click on apply. So once you do this, you want to come underneath the image to add a call to action so that people know they need to click on this image. Click the image to master your age of Wushu gaming in 10 minutes. All right, so once you do this, all you need to do is to highlight this. You want to give this a bold as well, and you want to change the color to red so that it stands out. All right, and you want to also do the same thing to this. You want to also do the same thing to this heading as well. You want to highlight this, and you want to also add a link to this as well. All right, so once you do that, all you need to do is to click on apply. So if they click on this image, or if they click on this heading, they are going to be taken to your content locker. And once they complete the offers, you make money, and they also get redirected to master their gaming skills as well. All right, so now the final thing you need to do is to change this from private. As you can see right here, nobody can see this on Google because it's on private. So now you want to make sure to set this document to public. All you need to do is to click on the share button. And once you do that, you want to click on restricted access, and you want to change this to anyone with the link. So once you do this way, once people search for this keyword on Google, there's a very high chance that you are going to pop up on Google as well, as you can see right here. You want to repeat this same process for as many niches as possible. Like I said, you want to go for only low competitive niches. This is the only niches that are going to work with this strategy. If you do this, you are going to make money in passive income, as this is a very simple strategy any beginner can get started with today. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and make sure to click on any of the 2 videos on your screen right now for more ways to earn money online with CPA marketing. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.